Today I am going to explore Google Read and Write as a tool for helping students with disabilities access the general education curriculum. The first step you need to take is to make sure that you have Google Chrome downloaded, as this is a compatible browser for Google Read and Write. If you don't have it downloaded, go ahead and pause this video and download it from this website, www.google.com/chrome/browser. Now that we are using the appropriate browser, we can go to google.com and in the search field, type in Google Read and Write. After we hit the search button, we should see the search results. We then click on the top one that says Read and Write for Google Chrome, Chrome Web Store. As the page opens, you can see that this is a store that allows you to download Google products. In the top right corner of this box here, you can see that there is a button that says Download. I've already downloaded this program, and you can see that because it says Added to Chrome. This may take a few minutes to download depending on your internet connection, so pause the video until the download is complete. Once this is downloaded, you will see this little purple puzzle piece icon appear up here in the top right corner. When using a Google application, such as a doc, you will see the icon also appears here. I am going to start this demonstration in Google Docs, but these functions can be used on almost any website or Google app. So, if you click on the puzzle piece, you will see this bar comes up. We are going to just start on the left and work through all of the different features. The first icon is the Predict tool. Once you click on it, you can see a box should come up. As you can see, there's a list of common words to choose from. As I type, the words change according to the letter that I input. So if I type a W, you can see that it creates a list of words that begin with W. If you put your cursor over the word, it will read it out loud.
Was. With.
This is an excellent tool for students with reading and writing difficulties. I work at a high school, so if students can't read at this level, I try to focus more on tools to help them be successful rather than phonological awareness. The next icon is the dictionary. When you click on it, you can see this little box appears in the left-hand corner. Simply click on a word and the definition will appear in the box. If you click this gray triangle next to it, the sentence will be read out loud.
Noun. A document or work of art, etc. that is the first. All versions that come after it are copies. I bought a copy because the original was so expensive.
The next icon is the picture dictionary. This is the same thing as the dictionary, but instead of words, pictures will appear. The next three icons deal with text-to-speech. Simply put your cursor wherever you would like the reading to begin and hit the play button.
Purpose. Purpose. The purpose of this original multimedia presentation created for my e-portfolio is to inform teachers of ways of differentiating for students with disabilities through.
The program will read until you hit stop or pause or the document ends. In order to exit this function, you must hit stop and the other icons will become accessible again. Our next icon is the screenshot reader. This allows me to create a box around text and the program will read all recognizable words out loud. This function is really great on a website or in an article where student is only wanting part of it to be read. Unfortunately, this tool does take a while to download the text, and because of the limited time of this video, I will let you explore that one on your own. The next icon is the speech maker. This function allows you to highlight text and create an audio file. Simply select what you want and then click on the icon. As you can see, it downloaded an audio file. I'll play it as an example.
The purpose of this original multimedia presentation created.
The next tool is the Screen Mask tool. The Screen Mask tool allows students to only have a highlighted bar of text. This helps students focus and limits distractions. The next tool is probably the one I use the most with my students. This icon is the Speech Input tool. This allows students to speak into the computer's microphone and it will translate their words into text. Test, test. This tool over here allows you to turn the microphone on and off. The next tool is the translator. This works best on a website where the program can recognize the language. Unfortunately, in this Google Doc, I can type in Spanish, but the program is unable to recognize what language it is. The next 6 icons all deal with highlighting text. These 4 are just different colors of highlighting. Simply select the text that you want and hit the color that you would like the text to be highlighted as. This icon will erase all the highlighted text, or all the highlight around the text. This last highlighter themed icon collects all the highlighted text. Just hit it with the option for what color you want to collect. Hit OK. And it will create a separate document with all the highlighted text. The next tool is very similar to the highlighter collector, but in the created document, it creates a chart with the definitions of selected vocabulary. This next icon allows us to write notes just using our voice. Just click on the icon and this comes up. Click on the microphone to begin recording. You can see the timer over here, which limits us to 1 minute. Once this is recorded, you can hit the Insert button. This will insert the note into your document, and you can access it by clicking on the URL. Test, test. And over here, you can see the note. Well, I think my audio is turned off, that's why you can't hear it. The final icon in Google Read and Write is the Practice Reading Aloud. You just need to highlight the text that you want to practice reading and then click on the icon. Whoops, it looks like I didn't select any text. Let me go back. Select some text. So hover speech allows me to put my cursor over the word and have it read.
Of this original multimedia presentation created.
Again, we have our dictionary tool, our picture dictionary, play, pause, stop, our screen mask, and our translator here. Well, that is pretty much it. There are some other add-on features that I plan on covering, but these are the basic Google Read and Write. I hope you enjoyed the video and that it was informative. Thanks and have fun using this awesome program.